Laminates. What is it made of? Laminates are multi-layer sheets that are synthesized out of the high-density fiber, melamine resin, or wood particles and have a protective photographic applique layer on top. This top layer can be textured, matte, or glossy. Available in a wide range of colors, designs, and textures, laminates are waterproof and easy on maintenance. You can choose from options that vary from realistic wood finishes to vibrant solid colors. Where is it commonly used? Laminates are very commonly used, and you can find laminated finishes just about everywhere, from tabletops, workstations, and furniture to kitchens and wardrobes. Recommendation: we recommend laminates for the inside and outside finishing of your kitchen cabinets, shutters, and wardrobes. High-gloss laminates or matte finishes are easy to keep clean, especially in kitchens. While textured finishes look good, they are magnets for grease and dirt, which make them unsuitable for use in kitchens. Expert tip: the raw edges of laminate must be covered with edge band tape, as otherwise they look unsightly and can be sharp to the touch. Edge banding also serves to protect the inner core of your shutters and boxes. Membranes. What is it made of? A membrane shutter is made of a thin synthetic thermofoil that is heat sealed to mold it over an MDF base. These membranes are machine pressed on the core material and can be molded to give seamless grooves and edges, a distinct advantage in kitchens as the surfaces can be easily cleaned. Where is it commonly used? Membrane shutters are commonly used in kitchens, for wardrobes, and all kinds of furniture. A great advantage is that the number of joints is reduced, as the edges of the shutters are also seamlessly covered with the membrane. Recommendation: we recommend membrane shutters for kitchens and wardrobes. Membrane shutters are elegant and understated without being flashy, and you can choose from many available colors and finishes. Acrylic. What is it made of? Tough, highly durable acrylic material with a high gloss surface is pressed on an MDF core. The most common acrylic plastic is polymethyl methacrylate, PMMA. As this is a very tough and resilient material with a highly reflective surface, shutters made of acrylic are waterproof. Where is it commonly used? Acrylic shutters are also quite commonly used in kitchens, for wardrobes, and all kinds of furniture. Being waterproof, they are known to be durable when used in kitchens. Recommendation: these shutters are excellent for use in kitchens. You can pick from a range of contemporary solid colors and give your kitchen a subtle elegance that will never go out of style. Aluminium and glass. What is it made of? Aluminium is extruded into profiles which are used to frame glass shutters. The profiles can be anodized or powder coated to get the finish desired. Where is it commonly used? These shutters lend a very sleek and contemporary look to modern interiors. They can be used in kitchens, crockery cabinets, TV units, and so on. The profile itself can be extended out to create an inbuilt handle, doing away with the need for separate handles for drawers or cabinets. Recommendation: glass shutters with aluminium profiles are recommended for those who love a touch of class in their interiors. It's no secret that glass is the perfect choice for a small kitchen, as it offers a clean, uncluttered look that gives the illusion of a larger space. Do keep in mind though, that you may need to have deeper pockets to afford this option.